Hello friends, welcome to the channel of PMT2. Today we would like to discuss about our brand Zymosef, and we will cover the points packing, composition, class of cefuroxime as well as mode of action, target specialty and indication for our brand Zymosef, doses, brand leader and unique selling points. Now come to the packing. We have two pack of Zymosef. One is the Zymosef 500 mg tablet that is available in oral form. Zymosef 500 mg tablet and Zymosef injection 1.5 gram, which contains cefuroxime 1.5 gram along with sterile water for injection. And if we talk about the composition, Zymosef 1.5 gram injection contains cefuroxime 1.5 gram with water for injection, and its packing is one vial packing. And Zymosef tablet 500 mg, it's available in 10 tablet packing, alu packing. And come to the classification of cefuroxime. Cefuroxime belongs to the beta-lactam antibiotics. It's belong from second generation cephalosporin group. Main mechanism of action of cefuroxime, it inhibits the cell wall synthesis of bacteria. So we can say our Zymosef inhibit the cell wall synthesis of bacteria, and this is the mechanism of action. You can say this is this is the normal cell wall of bacteria, where our Zymosef inhibit the cell wall synthesis of bacteria by binding with the penicillin binding proteins. So this is the exact mechanism of action. Now come to the target specialty and indication of Zymosef. Zymosef is promoted to the specialties like as the physician and allied specialties. An indication for this specialty is outpatient pneumonia and acute exacerbation of chronic bronchitis. That means the patient who are having the chronic bronchitis, they are having some worsening of the health, or some episodes in which they are facing the shortness of the breath, excessive production of mucus. That's known as the acute exacerbation of chronic bronchitis. And other indications, other respiratory infections such as the pharyngitis, tonsillitis, maxillary bacterial sinusitis, acute otitis of media, and secondary bacterial infections of acute bronchitis. And one of the reference, that is the Harrison Manual of Medicine. This is the renowned guideline 19th edition. According to this guideline, in case of outpatient pneumonia, beta-lactam antibiotics such as cefuroxime 500 mg, which is our Zymosef 500 mg, can be recommended to the patient of outpatient pneumonia. So this is the recommendation by the Harrison Manual of Medicine. And one of the article, Journal of the Association of Physicians of India, according to this, in case of respiratory infections, high clinical cure rates, that is the 94.3%, and response rates have been documented after treatment with cefuroxime. So we can say Zymosef can be a good antibiotic for the treatment of respiratory tract infection, where this molecule is showing more than 94% clinical cure rate. And other target specialty is surgeon, where we are promoting Zymosef in case of uncomplicated skin and skin structure infections and uncomplicated cases of urinary tract infections. And third specialty of orthopedics as well as a orthosurgeon, we are our positioning of brand in case of bone and joint infections as well as uncomplicated skin and skin structure infections. And another specialty, most important specialty for this brand Zymosef, that is the gynecologist. In gynecologists, most of the gynae, they prefer to prescribe this brand in case of the genitourinary tract infections such as the pyelonephritis, cystitis, urethritis, and other infections such as the sexually transmitted disease gonorrhea and other infections like cervicitis and surgical prophylaxis. Now come to the doses. Doses of the Zymosep 500 mg tablet. It is recommended BID, means 2 times in a day, for 5 to 10 days or depending upon severity of infection. And in case of injection, 750 mg to 1.5 gram every 8 hourly, or we can say TID, recommended depending upon severity of infection for 5 to 10 days. And as you see in this table, these are the brand leader of cefuroxime. Here, Septum is the #1 brand which is contributing around 31% of market share. This is from GlaxoSmith. And other leaders are the Joseph from Alkep, Cefakind from Mankind, Settle from Lupin Limited, and Supasafe from GlaxoSmith. So when you will be in the field, find out these competitors, those doctors are prescribing these type of brand where you can take the market share for our brand when Zymosep. And now come to the unique selling points of Zymosep. Zymosep offers the broad spectrum coverage against the gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria, and it is molecule cefuroxime in Zymosep is FDA approved molecule, and Zymosep is stable to beta-lactamases, and it offers the reliable performance and efficacy. Now come one by one, spectrum of coverage. As you know that cefuroxime in Zymosep offers broad spectrum coverage. It works against gram-positive as well as gram-negative bacteria. If we talk about the gram-positive bacteria such as the Staphylococcus aureus, Staphylococcus epidermidis, and Streptococcus pneumoniae and Streptococcus pyogenes. These are the gram-positive bacteria where Zymosep has excellent bacterial coverage. And in case of gram-negative bacteria, it covers the Escherichia coli, Haemophilus influenzae, Klebsiella species including the Klebsiella pneumoniae, Neisseria meningitidis, and Enterobacter species. And cefuroxime in Zymosep is FDA approved molecule which is preferred by most of the doctor. And if we see the molecular structure of cefuroxime, it is having the higher susceptibility to the beta-lactamases hydrolysis due to its methoxy amino side chain in position 7 of the Cephalum nucleus. So we can say there is a side chain that protects the beta-lactam ring of cefuroxime. That's why we can say it is stable to beta-lactamases. And last, not the least, it offers the reliable performance and efficacy. As you see over here, Zymosep, it is available in the amorphous form. Amorphous form that mainly provides the dissolution. Mainly any of the antibiotic that it is given through the orally, that should be dissolved in the intestine. After dissolving intestine, absorb the antibiotic component and that reach to the bloodstream or circulation for the action. So here our Zymosep tablet that is in amorphous form, it has the more than 91% dissolution, as well as we have added the cross carmylose sodium. This is a disintegration agent. Due to this cross carmylose sodium, Zymosep disintegration is faster. It disintegrates within 1 minute and 37 seconds completely. So we can say these two features, that is availability in the amorphous form as well as by adding the cross carmylose sodium, it offers more than 91% dissolution and disintegration within 1 minute and 37 seconds. That's why more quantity of the drug reaches to the bloodstream by absorption, and it leads to the better bioavailability and clinical success. So this is very, very important in case of the Zymocept, that is not only treating the infection but also helping. We can say that is the brand USP, helping to increase the clinical cure rate by increasing all better bioavailability. So thank you friends.